Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrappittarius on YouTube. This is Suchi. I am showing you a swap packet today. Outgoing happy mail. I am writing back to Yash, who sent me this mail earlier this week, and she reached out to me on Instagram and asked if I would like to do a swap and we would upload videos about it on YouTube. And I said, yeah, why not? And here it is. I have a video of her mail in detail, like where I'm opening it on camera, so I'm not going to go into every detail here. I'm going to link the other video. You can go take a look, and I'm just showing you the cute sticky notes she sent me. And then she's very artistic. She did a lot of the drawing, doodling herself, and that's her. Those are her socials. Please follow her, show her some love. She has a very interesting YouTube channel. She shares ideas sourced on the web and her original ideas as well. I love that washi tape sample and some bits and pieces for collaging, etc. So that's Yash's mail. She decorated the envelope so beautifully, and here is what I have put together for her, and it'll all fit in this box. Sorry. And now I'm showing you the paper bundle that I've made her. In the inset you can see the items: doilies, handmade envelopes, glitter card, etc. And that's the flip book I've made her. The letter, I'm yet to write it. I'll write it right after the video, and then I'm gonna seal the envelope. I'll quickly untie it, and yep, that's the washi tape. And the flip book opens up. It's a simple one inspired by Vivian of the Paper Letter blog, and just some cutouts, memo sheets, and then in this envelope I have some sticker flakes for her. There we go. I know this is her favorite color, the green. I didn't have a paper that I liked enough to make her mail with, but I tried to include the color at least in the stickers. And so that's for the crafty bit. I added a bunch of postcards. Let me take you through these. I've tried to include pictures from across the country. I love postcards. I think after paper bundles, my favorite snail mail goodies are postcards. Rather odd choice, I know, but they just add so much character. And now it's time to stuff this box. Yay! Struggling a little bit there with the string. Alright, yes, I do have some goodies for her, non-crafty goodies that have to go into this box. The idea is to stuff it. If a box is stuffed, the chances of it getting squished in the mail reduces. That's my logic. And let's see how we do in terms of size. I think we are good. I deliberately didn't make a very fat flip book because I did want to include other things, like make a small hamper. And there goes the flip book, and now it's time for the candy. There's a candy bar, there are chai latte premixes, there are these mango candy. They're kind of lollies, but these are tangy, they're not sweet. And then the latte premixes go in, and I will regret my decision to stuff the mango lollies against the spine. Yeah, there, it won't shut. Okay, now I'm backtracking. Right, now they're snug, and hopefully this will work. Okay, so I realize I will not be able to tie the box with the string until I've taped it. So it's kind of moving a bit, but I'm just showing you that everything fits in the box all right. No bulging. And I go ahead and bubble wrap this box and pack it inside a tamper proof bag, because mail, especially domestic mail, has been getting damaged a lot lately. And that's the picture on the right, the sealed packet after I've written the letter. And that's all. Thank you so much for joining, folks. I will be seeing you. Bye bye.